turn one spot.
Yeah. American Airlines, yeah. We're learning that. That's the way it was at Orlando now. Back in the day, you used to go for different areas, but it's just by the airlines. Woohoo!
Let's go.
You're 5 minutes away.
Exactly. That's crazy. Rush hour time.
In the GPS, this GPS, because we don't pay extra for like data,
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't always like know the traffic. So it'll be like,
And he worked over here at the cleaners by the Earth Fair. Yeah. That was literally your last job. That all started around the age of 50. Why? I don't know. So I could drink caffeine and go right to bed. You'll be that one day.
I'm already there.
Oh, you are. The cookies extra. I hadn't been eating that much sugar in a while, and I was like, wow. Those cookies. I don't even eat that much food in the morning, though. We did that before we went on our last trip to Ormond Beach. So when I had my little SUV on the road, I said, oh, that's cool. I like that. I feel like Leslie Billy. Did you see I sent you your pass? It's nice now that, 'cause back in the day you used to have to show your ID more than once. Now just at security.
They're starting like facial recognition.
Yeah. So when you go to Japan this time, are you in Japan? Or maybe we'll fly up to Seattle, Washington, like my mom and dad did for Alaskan cruise. Their main ports. Yep. One day.
That body ticket.
Well, I'm trying to debate. I think. Exactly.
Here comes a plane.
City uptown.
Yeah, I like to go on a cruise again. I like to go on a cruise again.
Yeah.
Cruises are nice.
They are nice. I like having my lodging and my food and all right there. And you choose whether you want to get off the port or not. Do whatever you want. I liked, I know it would be more of the family because you're with with you, but it's nice when you get older and you don't have all those grandkids around. It's peaceful and quiet. Enjoyed that. I'd like that would be fun when he gets older. You can understand it. What the heck it is.
That would probably be more appropriate for like a 5-year-old. There's also like dedicated kid zones.
Oh,
Right.
And you just drop them off and be like, bye.
Exactly. Oh yeah.
Bye.
Especially on Disney, they cater to them. Don't cater to them that much. That's really more of a retirement age. I've noticed on that show. We have to remember to come back through A, even though we get off on B. The plane comes in on B. We have to go up through A because where we parked on the
Oh, you're
north,
talking about Orlando.
not here, but where we parked, we have to get on the bus that goes out of Terminal A because it doesn't go out of Terminal B.
Okay.
We had to walk.
Well, this A is now huge.
Right. Well,
You got it like 2 sections to it.
I remember. It's not
They
huge.
put
All right. And TSA pre-check is right here on the side, right when you get here. No, not too far. It's right here.
No, it's over
No,
here.
we need.
Oh,
Yeah, departures is right there.
Well,
There's
they're all departures.
Right, right.
yeah, but
But
TSA
TSA is over here.
pre-check.
Okay.
TSA is C now.
Is it?
Yeah.